So anyway, good morning sa ating lahat. So congratulations sa Unified Press, congratulations. Kasi parang kailan lang, 6 months pa lang yung company when I started in this business, and yet mabilis na yung panahon, okay? So na-witness namin yung ups and downs ng company. 2015 ang pinaka-shaky na year, okay, ng Unified, and yet nandun kami, okay? Naramdaman din namin yung medyo natakot at nagduda, pero nung tinanong namin si Press via Messenger, Press, ano ba yung status? Lalaban ba? May laban ba tayo? Ano ba? Sabi niya lang, kumapit kayo at lumaban kayo. And then, so after that year, okay, so mabilis lang, nandito na tayo ngayon, 2023 na, okay? Nalagpasan natin pati yung pandemic, palakpakan natin yung bawat isa. Kasi you are born strong, you are born brave na despite of all the challenges, ay nandito ka. So parang kailan lang, ay katulad niyo ako na